What is fufu? Fufu is delicious, soft. It's culture, family, history. It's a staple. It's yummy. It's love, all rolled into one stretchy ball. So today we're gonna be making fufu, and I'm
Okay,
very
ladies,
excited.
are we ready?
Yeah.
Good. So do this. You feel that?
Oh, that's so much.
So that's what heat does too. Cool. See this?
Yeah.
The space here. Usually that's where the air has to go through to light it.
Oh.
Yes. So you can do it here or you can do it. So for the granite soup, you need granules to make the soup, right?
Yes.
And what do you think? How does soup look like?
So soup, it's some types of soups can be like orange. They have different types of flavors.
Okay. Is it watery?
Yes.
Is it light?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're going to make
Because
peanut
it's
soup.
liquid.
Yes, because it's soup, right?
Yes.
So you need something that will make it light, okay?
Okay.
And then what do you need inside the soup? You need protein.
No.
You need meat.
Chicken.
Chicken. So if you like chicken, chicken. If you like
Chicken.
meat. If you like turkey.
I
Or
like
fish.
turkey.
You like turkey. So you can make all the soup you want with any of the protein. Do you know any of these? Does this look familiar?
I don't want spicy.
You don't want spicy, you
They
know.
look like peanuts.
Wait, do you mean you don't want heat? You don't want it to be hot?
I don't. Yeah.
Okay, so that's different from spice. Spice is flavor. Remember you said flavor? That's spice. But if you want heat, it means it shouldn't be hot that burns your tongue. So we are toasting our spices. And the reason why we are toasting our spices is because when you toast the spice, it's flavorful.
They're getting brown.
No, they are not getting burnt. They are already brown. So we are toasting the spices so that all the oil from the spices comes out before we blend them for our chicken. So we are going to boil some tomatoes as well. And then we'll have some ginger.
Yeah.
You're going to do ginger? Good. And then garlic. So I'm going to put some water in.
I need one.
Good. I'm going to take this off.
Yippee, I did it.
You did. So you peel the cassava and you use the cassava for gari, remember? You also use the cassava for fufu.
Yay!
You cook it and then you pound it, use it for fufu.
Pound.
Yes, you can also use
Well, I
cassava for
pound it.
bampo. Do you know bampo?
Yes.
Now let me tell you something about cassava. Once you peel it, you have
Well, I
to
get to
open the
pound.
middle and it has a stalk. You see this?
Yes.
It has a stalk. You have to remove the stalk. You can't use the stalk for gari or bampo. Please.
Why can't we not do this?
Okay. Because the stalk is the harder part of the cassava. Okay, so now we're going to check our chicken. I'm excited for you. Yes. Oh, it smells so good.
I want to eat it.
Look.
Can I eat it?
Go down a bit.
I want to do it.
Okay. So what do we have here before we cover it? What's this?
So we have plantain and the
One more try. Plantain and cassava.
cassava.
Yeah.
Wow.
So your chicken.
I want to eat it. I want to
See?
eat it.
Soup looks so good. Look at your soup. Look at that soup. Our granola soup is boiling. We have all our vegetables in with our chicken, our salt, our seasoning, and we have to let it boil until all the water evaporates and the oil comes on top of the soup. So as if you can see, the oil is beginning to form quite nicely. We're almost there. Stay down. Okay. They were always my
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Let's go eat. I like chicken. Oh, that actually looks delicious. Yeah. I want to eat it. I want to eat it.
And the buffalo. Okay. Beautiful.
Can I eat, Mommy? now?
Well, we're going to.
Can I have a chicken, Mommy?
Sure.
No.
How do you wait?
I want the chicken.
Are you happy with your chicken?
Yes. Yeah.
She was starting on business for the chicken.
I know, she was.
But can I
How
have
was
that piece? Can I have that piece?
Good. Of business.
Oh my gosh, the chicken is so delicious.
It's all, you did everything yourself, you know that.
So can you tell them how do you eat Fufu? How do you eat it?
I don't want to put my hands in there, so bad.
In a,
Okay, so, see these two fingers?
Yeah.
See? No, wait. Bring the two fingers out. Do this. This. Okay. See. Cut it this way. Cut. See, mom. See? Good.
and then
Dip it in
Did you
the
already
soup.
know how to do that?
You dip it in the
I
soup
want the chicken.
and you put it in your mouth. Okay?
All I want is my chicken. Why can you get the chicken?
Nom, nom, nom. You have to try the Fufu too.
Try a little bit of the. Remember what I thought? Good. The sauce that you like. Yes. Good.
Ow.
Put it in your mouth and swallow it. Let's try this. Is that? It's on the fence. No.
It's in there.
Here's more chicken for you, there.
Thank you.
How is it?
Fine. I got my piece. Ah.
Dip it. so you can eat the soup too. Okay? And enjoy the soup.
This is a unique journey we will never forget. Learning the real way, making fufu from scratch. Hi, Daddy, have you guys ever dunked on coconut before?
God's water.
In small. Trying to figure it out.
The next day.
Morning, Anissa.
Mommy, can I have fufu?
You just woke up.
No, I want fufu.
Okay, we'll make you some today, okay?
I meant now.
Okay, yes, ma'am.